Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Several students of IPCC and CA Inter, especially the old students of Masterminds, who have attempted their examinations in December 2020 and got failed in the results, are asking me a question: which edition of material we need to follow? First of all, if you are going to come and join for revision exams and study our batches of masterminds, we will provide you a document called list of materials to be prepared. In that document, we have clearly specified the edition number of material in which you need to follow. For the sake of benefit of the students who have not joined for revision exams, I am making this video. First of all, let me give clarity to CA Inter students. As far as CA Inter students are concerned, first of all, I will give clarity with respect to 4 subjects: accounts, advanced accounting, costing, as well as financial management. These 4 problematic subjects. As far as these 4 problematic subjects are concerned, CA Institute has released updated study materials in the month of October 2020, and in each chapter they have added some new problems. That's why whatever the edition of material you might have 41st edition, you might have 42nd edition, you might have 43rd edition. Whatever the edition of material you have, you first prepare in that material. After that, open the latest edition of study material, that is October 2020 edition of study material, and whatever the problems that are not covered in the material being followed by you prepare those problems also. That means you need to gather physical copies of latest edition of study materials for all these 4 papers. So let us assume, sir, I am preparing in the 43rd edition of Masterminds material. Are they not sufficient? No, they are not sufficient, because ICAI has released the latest study materials in October 2020 only. So we have not yet got updated with them. That's why I am requesting all of you to prepare study material also, in addition to the edition of material in which you are preparing Masterminds material. So that means you prepare in Masterminds material which you have, because notes will also be there which you feel to be convenient. But in addition to that, you need to prepare ICAI study material also, which was recently released in October 2020. Now let us quickly jump into income tax and GST. As far as income tax is concerned, obviously you have to shift to our latest edition of material, that is 44th edition of material. Unfortunately, we have not yet completed the material work with respect to all the chapters of 44th edition. Still the material is under preparation. Right now we have released around 3 to 4 chapters. Gradually we will be releasing further chapters also. And what you need to do is, you need to gather this 44th edition of income tax material and you need to prepare in that material. Sir, how can we get that? Within 1 or 2 days, we are going to upload that 44th edition of material in our Masterminds website, www.mastermindsindia.com. Go to that website and you can download the latest edition of income tax material, that is 44th edition, which is prepared in accordance with latest edition of study material released in October 2020, and it is updated as per Finance Act 2020, which is applicable to May 2021 and November 2021, my dear students. We have one more option. Gather the latest edition of Masterminds material, ICAI study material, and directly prepare in that ICAI study material. That is another option you have. So you can directly download ICAI material from ICAI website, which is October 2020 edition, and directly start preparing in that study material. But I suggest you to prepare masterminds material only, because there will be large number of problems in masterminds material. That many number of problems will not be there in study material. That's only my opinion. Next one, coming to GST. So as far as GST is concerned, 45th edition of material is our latest edition of material which you need to follow. Even with respect to GST, we have not yet completed preparing materials for all the chapters. Right now they are under preparation. Very soon we will provide the material for all the chapters of GST, which is applicable to May 2021. So as and when we finish completing the material, we will upload the same in Masterminds website, and you can download and take printout of the same. Alternatively, you can directly collect the latest edition of study material for GST and start preparing in that study material, that is ICAI study material, directly. You have that choice also. And remember, very soon CA Institute will release RTPs and MTPs also. So once those RTPs are announced, all the amendments stated in such RTP will be applicable for May 2021 attempt, either in case of income tax or in case of GST. My dear students, for all the subjects, don't forget to be thorough with RTPs and MTPs of at least 3 recent attempts, including the attempt which you are going to write. This rule will apply for all the subjects of IPCC and CA Inter. Please pay more attention on amendments in income tax and GST. So very soon we will release amendments material for income tax and amendments material for GST applicable to May 2021. We are just waiting for CA Institute to officially release RTP. Once CA Institute releases the RTP, then we will release amendments material in the subject of income tax as well as GST. This is complete clarity with respect to income tax and GST. Now let us quickly jump into the subjects of company law, other laws, auditing, EIS, strategic management. I repeat, company law, other laws, auditing, EIS, strategic management. With respect to these 5 subjects, we have released the latest edition of Masterminds material, that is 44th edition of Masterminds material. These 44th edition of materials we have updated as per the latest edition of ICAI study materials which were released in October 2020. Sir, can't we prepare in the old edition of material being followed by us? No, because CA Institute has added several concepts in the latest edition of study material. So you must switch over to our 44th edition of materials for the subjects of company law, other laws, auditing, EIS, strategic management. Now last but not the least, economics for finance. As far as economics for finance is concerned, 44th edition of material is our most recent edition of material. But unfortunately, by the time CA Institute has released the updated edition of economics for finance material, by that time we have already released our 44th edition of material. So unfortunately, after verifying the latest edition of study material, what we found is CA Institute has increased the syllabus of economics for finance by at least 10 to 15%. That means they have almost added large number of concepts in the study material. So my recommendation is you first switch over to 44th edition of Masterminds material, because we have got several changes and improvements in 44th edition of our Economics for Finance materials. Plus open the study material, identify the areas which are not covered in Masterminds material, you prepare those areas also. But as far as the 5 theory subjects I have stated earlier, like company law, other laws, auditing, EIS, strategic management, with respect to these 5 subjects, I can confidently say that if you prepare 44th edition of our materials, you need not refer October 2020 edition of ICAI study materials. But I cannot give such kind of assurance with respect to Economics for Finance. Very soon, we are going to come up with 45th edition of Economics for Finance material, which are prepared in accordance with now October 2020 edition of ICAI study material. But it may take a lot of time. Until then, I cannot ask you to wait. So that's why you adjust with our 44th edition of material for Economics for Finance. In addition to that, you also prepare the latest edition of ICAI study material. Now, this is all with respect to CA Inter students. Now coming to IPCC students. My dear students, as far as IPCC is concerned, you have to be thorough with study material as well as practice manual. You have to be thorough with study material as well as practice manual. First of all, let me cover about all the problematic papers: accounts, advanced accounting, costing, FM. With respect to these papers, so you can follow whatever the edition of material you have, but you need to refer ICAI study material and practice manual also. It's mandatory. Number 2, coming to income tax and GST. Whatever the rules I have stated for CA Inter students, same rules will apply for IPCC students also. When it comes to income tax and GST, same rules for CA Inter as well as IPCC. Now let us think about subject called law. As far as law is concerned, I suggest all of you to switch over to our latest edition of company law and other laws material, that is 44th edition. Otherwise, you adjust with whatever the edition of law material that you have, plus read latest RTPs and MTPs also, plus read study material and practice manual also. That is also option you have. Now coming to auditing, you need to adjust with whatever the old edition of material you have, plus you need to refer study material and practice manual also. Now coming to information technology and strategic management. So you need not refer the study material, Masterminds materials are highly enough. So prepare in Masterminds material. And coming to another subject, business communication and business ethics. Masterminds material is highly enough. Sir, which edition of Masterminds material has to be followed? We have released a document called list of materials. Please go through the same. With that, you can easily understand which edition of material has to be followed. In the description of this video, I am leaving a link. If you click that link, you will be able to see the list of materials document for IPCC as well as CA Inter. Go through the document once and gather the materials as stated in the list of materials document, my dear students. So this is all the clarity with respect to the addition of materials you need to prepare for old syllabus as well as new syllabus. Even the students of old syllabus must prepare RTPs and MTPs of at least 3 recent attempts, including the attempt in which you are going to write exams, my dear students. My dear students, Since this is the last attempt for IPCC students, prepare carefully, prepare well, and write your exams. All the best, my dear students.